How to fix TikTok live option missing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix TikTok live option missing. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. First thing first, you're just going to go ahead and open up your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're logged in, here you will see your FYP page. Now you have to know that the minimum requirement to go live on TikTok is that you have to be 18 or older and you have to have at least 8,000 followers. Now I do not have that, so if I just tap on this plus icon, I just have two options, posts and templates. But if you have more than 1,000 followers, you will see a live option right besides this template. But if you have 1,000 followers, but if you still don't have that option, then the first thing you can do is appeal this problem to TikTok. So just tap on the three lines at the top right and head over to settings and privacy. Now you're gonna just scroll down until you find report a problem. Tap on this one, and here you will find all of these available options. So just tap on live and then tap on suggestions for TikTok live or hosting live. Now once you tap on hosting live, tap on all of these options, and if you don't find your answer here, what you can do is go back and scroll all the way to the bottom to submit a report. Tap on it. Now you're gonna just type in here that saying TikTok, requesting TikTok that you have all of the requirements for going live, but you still don't have the live option unlocked or it's still missing. And after doing so, submit your report. If you have evidence, you can upload up to one video and 4 screenshots. If that is provided, then it will be easier for them to fix the problem as well. And you can just wait for their reply and follow the instruction. That's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.